Sometimes you have to borrow the belief that other people have for themselves. Let me explain. So I was working on orders in my at-home fulfillment center, feeling a bit overwhelmed, and I went back to a thought that often gets me right. So when I was in high school, I went to an arts high school, so working artists would come twice a week and teach classes, right? And when I was in the 10th grade, this is 2006, I had a theater class, and the teacher was relatively young, so he had us call him Chad, right? We didn't call him Mr., we called him Chad. And he was a really great teacher, and he was clearly a working artist. I won't get into too much details, but he was evidently a working artist. And a lot of the kids in my class, they didn't take it seriously. It was just an art class that they chose. You know, while it was an art school, everybody didn't care about the arts. I mean, sometimes people just choose art schools because they think it's going to be easier. But yeah, I cared. And a few of the other kids in my class cared too. So like he really focused on a handful of us. And I remember one day he said to me, he pulled me aside and was like, Keisha, you're really good. Are you considering pursuing acting for real, like as a career? And I told him that's unrealistic. I want something stable and secure, which is ironic because I chose to be an influencer and a small business owner, right? Anyway, that's what I told him. I said, I want something realistic. That's not realistic. Looking back, how dare I tell a working actor that his chosen career path is unrealistic? But he wasn't offended. He was just like, I understand completely. And then he let it go. And we finished off the semester great, but he kind of fell out with my principal and didn't come back the next semester. So there's that. But several years later, maybe like 6 years later or so, I was watching TV and I saw a trailer for 42, the Jackie Robinson movie, and I'm like, that looks like Chad. And I was watching TV with somebody, and he was like, "Who's Chad?" I'm like, "My teacher in the 10th grade. Like that looks like Chad." I'm like glued into the TV, like waiting to see like the name flash across the screen, and I'm like, it says Chadwick Boseman. I was like, "Oh my God, that's my teacher!" I was so excited, so happy for him, and the crazy thing is, it was just up from there. You don't need me to explain, right? So I always think back on the fact that like I saw him when he was a struggling working actor, right? I told him pursuing acting is unrealistic, but look at what he did, you know? And it just reminds me like clearly he believed in himself enough to know that even though this is an unrealistic career path, he still pursued it and blew up. What makes him more special than anybody else? I mean, I'm sure he was like incredibly talented beyond most people's capabilities, but that's a skill that you work towards. What makes him more special than anybody else? Just his unwavering belief in self. And that's something that I told myself today. I reminded myself today, like, just borrow that unwavering belief in self. Like, while I'm not directing this, like I'm talking about pursuing acting. That's not what I'm talking about. Although I do dabble still. You might catch me in the background of some shows that's based in New York. And you might catch me on a Tubi coming to you soon. Tubi near you, right? But I'm really just relating it to like my chosen career path as an entrepreneur, right? That's not even unrealistic. It's not unrealistic to be a successful entrepreneur. But still, sometimes you do have to just have that just unwavering belief in self. That's what gets people to the highest of heights. That's what makes people not quit. So while I'm overwhelmed in my at-home fulfillment center working on these packages that I'm so grateful to be able to deliver for all my customers, I am still seeing myself elsewhere, further, higher up, and shout out to Chadwick Boseman, man. Rest in peace. Like, super impactful for me personally in my life, based on like me seeing where he came from and seeing where he got to. So I think about that story often, and I borrow his belief in himself. And it helps on days like today.